Hi, I'm Janelle. I'm here to do my testimony on Wellspring today and how it has really impacted me. It has really helped me for the better. I came to Restore because I have a good friend. She recommended Restore, but she didn't really tell me too much that it was faith-based. I didn't want to know anything about God. I didn't want to know anything biblical. I was very hurt. I just thought God was punishing me. Two of the most significant things that I was working on is my daughter's death in 2019. She was a month old. And so her father, he was murdered and shot in the head in 2022. So those were the two things that I was processing. And because of those two things and just other things in my life, I just thought I was unredeemable, unsaved, unsavable, like just everything, that I'm bad and I don't deserve anything good in my life. The first night of the Restore, someone that was here presenting, she was speaking about death and saying something about God, and I just didn't like what she was saying. I didn't agree with it. And I snapped on her. I was not nice to her. And she did something so unexpected. While I was leaving that night, she came and she apologized to me. And I didn't expect that. I thought she was gonna be like, hey, we don't tolerate this kind of behavior, but that's not what she said. The first thing that came out of her mouth was, hey, I apologize for what I said. So that immediately, my guard just went completely down. Everyone that was in the program was patient, loving, and kind with me. They all showed me God's love. Like, that's how God is with you, you know? He takes his time. Even when you mess up, he stays right there and he pursues you and he continues to forgive you. You walk in here and you're not judged. No matter what you've been through, no matter what the situation is, they're just loving. And that's what she did, and it shocked me. I mean, I was like, and it made me think this is the real deal, you know? What I was expecting, I think, was just groups of talking, I guess. I really didn't know what was gonna happen or what to expect. But I think my expectations were blown away. I mean, the program is exceptional. Every exercise that they make you do has a purpose. And it's a lot of hands-on things too. So it kind of like helps you to release all those things that you have pent up inside. I held a lot of shame, a lot of trauma in my life. I didn't have the best childhood growing up. My father wasn't very kind. And just the things that I witnessed growing up and the things that I went through, the mistakes that I did. Throughout the whole journey, it was difficult. You know, they make you do the things that help you process the hurt that you're going through. And throughout that process, it was hard. I actually released a lot. The small groups were so healing. The individual attention that I got was so unique. That is so important because I feel like it validates you, you know, and it sets you free because you have people hearing you out and you have people that, you know, no matter what you've been through, how heavy it is, you're releasing that to God and to the people listening to you that are there to care for you. I didn't have any money to pay, but God made a way. I'm grateful to everyone, like whoever donates to this program, that really does work. It helped me. It's painful, but if you work it and you give it a chance, you're gonna walk out of here with healing. And you're gonna walk out of here with the grace that you need to continue, you know? I never saw a light, you know, all those years until I came to Restore, like since my daughter died and then Greg got murdered. I didn't see a light at all. Like, all I had in my heart was darkness. And because of this program, I saw a little light, you know? I saw a light shining, and I'm gonna get to that light. I'm still processing and I'm getting there and I'm continuing my therapy, and I'm just grateful for this community. But the light is there. And I want people to know that if you're in darkness, you can get to that light too by doing this program and trusting God.